Good morning, students. I welcome you all to today's English class. Today we'll be discussing a poem that is Macavity the Mystery Cat, written by T.S. Eliot. Now, the poem is about a cat who is very mysterious. The activities done by the cat are beyond common man's understanding, and this cat is named as Macavity by the poet. So, we'll start. Do you have a pet cat? Have you ever noticed anything mysterious about it? It is not easy to say whether every cat is a mystery, but Macavity is one for sure. So, before proceeding to the poem, the poet has asked us few questions. That is whether we have a pet cat or not, and if we have any, that cat surely will be different from the cat that the poet is talking. The cat in the poem Macavity is very different from normal cats. So the poet questions us whether anything mysterious is there about our pet cat or not, because the cat that he is talking about is very mysterious. Mysterious means something that is very difficult to understand and to explain. Mysterious is something which is beyond our understanding. It is not easy to say whether every cat is a mystery or not, because this cat is a mystery. But Macavity is one for sure. What is it that makes him a perfect mystery cat? Read the poem and find out. Now, the poet cannot say whether other cats are mysterious or not, whether every cat is mysterious, but the cat that he is talking about is obviously is 100% mysterious, and there is no doubt about it. There is no second opinion about it. And what are the things that he does, the cat does, which makes it a mysterious cat? We have to find out this. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw. Macavity is considered to be a mystery cat. Why mystery cat? Because whatever the cat does is beyond the understanding of the people. And Macavity is called the hidden paw. Hidden means secret, something that is hidden, that is not visible, and paw means animal's foot. So Macavity is called the hidden paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. Now this Macavity is also called the master criminal. Master means it is an expert criminal. Criminal means one who commits crime, one who is an offender. And this Macavity can defy the law. Defy means disobey. This cat usually it disobeys the law, and when the police tries to catch it, it flies away from the scene. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying square's despair. Now this cat is the bafflement. Bafflement means puzzle. It is the puzzle for Scotland Yard. Scotland Yard is the police force, and the flying squad is a group of police or soldiers who are ready to move into action quickly. So if there is a crime, and if the Scotland Yard or the flying squad goes to the scene in order to catch Macavity, then Macavity is surely not there, because Macavity is very quick, very cunning, very shrewd. Macavity manages to run away from there as soon as the crime is committed. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. When the Scotland Yard they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there, because Macavity is very clever enough to run away from the hands of the flying squad or the Scotland Yard. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. Now the poet says that there is no one like Macavity. This cat is very different, because this cat is very shrewd, cunning, clever, and manages to run away. And this cat has broken every human law. Okay, the law that binds us, the law that brings discipline, the law that stops people from committing crime is broken by the cat, and he breaks the law of gravity. Now what is the law of gravity? The law of gravity is that whatever thing will go, nothing can fly in the air, because the earth has a gravitational pull. The earth has a force which keeps on pulling us towards it, so nothing can fly. But this Macavity has defied even the law of gravity. He has broken the law of gravity even. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. Powers of levitation. What is the meaning of levitation? Levitation means floating on the air. Now this Macavity has the powers of levitation, and seeing this levitational power, even a fakir stares at Macavity. Fakir is a religious ascetic, a person who is dedicated towards religion, who lives a very simple life, who lives in a hut in a forest, and and fulfills their and lives a life by begging from the people, that is a fakir. Even a fakir who himself is a bit mysterious gets surprised or stares at the powers of levitation of Macavity. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. But whenever the person reaches the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. Now one can look for Macavity in the basement. Basement is the underground space. One can look up in the air, but Macavity will not be found anywhere, because Macavity is very quick to run away from the scene of crime. That means Macavity is an expert criminal. As the criminal commits any crime very shrewdly, very cleanly, so that no one can catch them, Macavity is also an expert criminal. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. So the poet gives us the physical features of this cat. Macavity is a ginger cat. Ginger means Macavity is noiseless, it is cunning, and it is cautious, and it is very tall and thin. If one sees Macavity, then one will be able to identify it, because its eyes are sunken in. Sunken in means its eyes are deep inside, and the brow of Macavity is deeply lined with thought. Deeply lined with thought means wrinkle. Wrinkle means it shows that Macavity is always planning, always thinking about something. So Macavity's brow is deeply lined with thought, and his head is highly domed. Domed means it is like a dome. It is in round shape. So the brow is deeply lined with thought, and head is highly domed. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. Now the coat of, as you can see in the picture, this cat has worn a coat, and the coat is always dusty because of his neglect, his carelessness, his neglect, because the cat is busy in committing crimes, and it cannot give time to itself. That is why the coat is dusty. And whiskers are uncombed. Whiskers are the hair on the cheeks. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. Sways means moves. He moves his head from side to side as a snake does. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. So a person might get mistaken, because when somebody thinks that now the cat is asleep, at the time he is wide awake. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. Now the poet has repeated the name of the cat Macavity again and again for the sake of emphasis. For he is a find in feline shape, a monster of depravity. There is no one like Macavity. There is no cat like Macavity. Macavity is a unique cat. Unique means unique because it commits crime more than the human commits, and it tries to break every human law, and also save himself from getting caught by the police officers. Now he is a find. Find means devil. Okay, the Macavity is a devil in the shape of a cat. Feline means relating to cat. Though it looks like a cat from outside, but he is a devil, a monster of depravity. Monster means devil, somebody who is very frightening. Monster, demon, and monster of depravity means moral corruption. So the activities that Macavity does considers Macavity to be depraved of morality, because we all know that Macavity do not have any morality, because a moral person don't commit any crime. So we can consider, or the poet has considered, T.S. Eliot has considered Macavity to be a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime is discovered, then Macavity is not there. Now one can see Macavity in a by street, means narrow side lane, or one can see Macavity in the square, that is crossing or intersection. But when a crime is discovered, Macavity is not there. Macavity is not very, one can see Macavity at any time, but when the crime is committed, then Macavity is not there. So this is the poem. Because of these activities, Macavity is considered to be a mystery cat.